Binary trees, expressions part 2. We're going to look at our in-order traversal, or infix expression, if you would like. And we know that because the method I've given you is left node right. Okay, left node right, starting at the bottom of the tree, working our way to the top. Left node right. Go to the node. We've exhausted the left, so let's go right. Node, left node right. C times D. Let's have a look and see what this expression is. Okay, let's have a look. There it is. A to the power of B plus C multiplied by D. In other words, this little branch here is its own expression, this little branch here is its own expression, and they join together through addition. Then we go up to the node and we go right. Can we go left? Yes, we can. So E minus F. And let's go back to the root. Well, the root is the final operator in all of these expressions, just like the plus is the final operator of this sub-left tree. Sub-left branch. Okay, I've put it in brackets just to make it a little bit simpler. So that represents that. In an exam, will you get this and be asked to represent it or explain which expression is represented by the binary tree? Yes, you will. Post order or postfix. There's an example. 1, 2 plus. It means 1 plus 2. And then 3 multiplied means multiply that by the 3. And down below you see I've bracketed it. And I've just typed it up. It means take 1 and 2 and add them. Take the 3 and multiply the result of this. Take 6 and add it to the result of that. Take 2 and 3 and add that. And then your final operator is the final task. You're going to divide the result of that by the result of that. Here we go. This method of traversing the tree is left, right, node. Now the node, or the n, is coming at the end, so it's postfix. Our favorite reverse Polish notation, RPN. Revs per nothing. Alright, here we go. The power 2 sign after the A and B, the multiplier after the CD, and the plus after all of that. And on this side, the E and the F has a minus after, and then the divide is after all of that. How do we know the divide is right at the end? Because we're going all the way to the right and then back to our root node. Let's have a look. So this is how you would express it. AB to the power, CD multiply, plus EF. You say the plus, yeah, the plus has got nothing to do with that because it's not prefix, it's postfix. It's the last operator for that part. Then we hit some more values. 2 values together with a minus after must be together. Then divide. Divide what? Divide that by that. Okay, you say, how do you know that? Well, that's got to be associated with that. And that has got to be associated with that. So what is that associated with? Those 2 branches. And one way to recognize it, you've got 2 operators together. That's a definite distinguishing factor that there's something going on there, and that's all together. I've bracketed. Always use your brackets and sketch out and write in the exam, and never leave an exam question blank. Always make your notations, and I'll always use brackets to help me understand it, and always try to put it into infix to see if I'm right. One way to check that you're right is look at where the divide operator is. It's in between all of those expressions. We know that this is the heaviest part of the expression. Look there, that's the heaviest part of our expression notation, and that's the lighter part. Divide has got to be in the middle there, and this is how you express it. Division is the last thing you do, so it's got to be at the end. Alright, in the exam question, the next video after this, part 3, will be looking at the exam question, because this was fascinating, and the answers I got from you were also fascinating.